guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Botany Booster. For more information, please subscribe my channel. You know about the actual definition of the morphology. Morphology is the study of external features of the organs of the plants and their modification. Morphology is different from anatomy. Anatomy is the study about the internal feature. Morphology is the study about external features. These are the four main organs of the external organs of the plants. First one is the root, second one is the stem, third one is the leaf, fourth one is the flower. Today I will discuss only about the root. Next is the types of root. There are mainly two types of root. First one is the taproot system and the second one is the adventitious root system. The root is developed from the radicle is called as the taproot system. This is the main root. This root is developed from the radicle in the taproot system. Example for this root system is the mustard. Mustard is the best example for taproot system. And the second one is the adventitious root system. The root is developed from other than radicle such as stem. These roots are developed from other than radicle from stem. Example for this root system is the grass. Grass is the best example for this system. Reason of roots. There are mainly 5 reasons of root. First one is the root cap. Second one is the reason of meristematic. Third one is the reason of elongation. Fourth one is the reason of maturation. And the fifth one is the root hairs. First one is the root cap. Root cap is the functions as the protection of the root tip, which is made up of thick cells secrete mucilaginous cavity. Next is the region of meristematic activity. Region is behind the root cap. This region is behind the root cap contains actively dividing meristematic cells responsible for the longitudinal growth. These are the actively dividing meristematic cells responsible for the longitudinal growth of the root. Next is the region of elongation. Region of elongation lies above the meristematic zone. These cells are not divided but they are elongated rapidly. These cells are not divided but they are elongated. Next is the region of maturation. Region of the maturation is cells undergoes containing certain changes undergoes maturation differentiated into cortex, endoderm and the xylem and the phloem. And the last one is the root hairs. Root hairs are the tubular outgrowth. Most water and mineral absorption takes place from this part only. Each hair is single shelled. This is one hair. It is the made up of single shelled, not the multi shelled. Next is the modification of the root. There are mainly 3 types of modification. First modification is the for the food storage. Second modification is the support and third is the breathing. First one is the food storage. Food storage roots are divided into 2 types. First one is the taproot and second one is the adventitious. The best example for taproot is the carrot, radish, turnip, and the second one is the adventitious root system is best example for sweet potato, asparagus. And the support, for the support I will write here. For the support, the roots are divided into 3 types. First one is the prop root, second one is the silt root, and the third one is the buttressing root. Prop root is the root are developed from the stem. These roots are developed from the stem. Example for this is the banana. Banana tree is the best example for prop roots. And second one is the silt root. The roots are developed from the node. Here is the node and this is also one node. The space between 2 nodes are the internodes. The roots are developed here only. This is best example for silt root. Example of this is the sugar cane. Sugar cane is a best example for silt root. Third one is the buttressing root. The roots are run on the earth from the holding. The roots are run above the earth for the holding. Last one is the breathing root. Breathing root is the nematophores. Nematophores are the breathing root. The root grows upward direction because of breathing. They are gives respiration. For respiration, the roots are growth upwards. This is all about the root. types of brute, reason of brute and their modification. Tomorrow I will discuss about the stem and their modification. Thanks for all. Please like our video.